So today I got a little unboxing for y'all. We're gonna be taking a look at the Jordan 5 Oreos, or as some of you are calling them, the Moonlights. Not sure why we're calling them the Moonlights. I heard there was some bullshit little story going around that didn't really happen, but that's not none of my business. Let's get into this unboxing. So I purchased these Jordan 5s off of GOAT. I decided to get these when I realized they were pushing back the release date to the 25th. I was expecting these on the 11th. So here we are. This is an early release from GOAT. Hold up, hey. Let's take a look at the box. You got a black box with the Oreo speckles, black and white speckles on it. These are a size 10.5. With the Jordan 5, you can go true to size. I feel like these don't run big. They always fit me good. I'm definitely digging this box though. Very nice touch to the box. Now let's open up the box. All right, so we got this paper here with the speckles on it. Pretty neat. And here we go. Here's a peek at the Oreos. Let's get into this shoe. GOAT verified. Boom, 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 boom. All legit here. Okay, cool. Just knock that whole box off. All right, so here we go. The Jordan 5 Oreos. I'm very excited about these. This is only my second pair of Jordan 5s. The first pair of Jordan 5s I ever had was the Whattas. And I ended up selling them because they were a little bit too loud for my taste. But this is a Jordan 5 I can get behind. I do wear a lot of blacks and whites and grays, so I feel like this is a vibe for me. I think I'm gonna take these into the other room though, because the lighting isn't so good in here, and I want y'all to get a really good look at these. So hold up, I'll be right back. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion. I think a lot of people are gonna sleep on these because there's really no hype surrounding them. They're not your Yeezy or your Travis or your trophy rooms or nothing crazy. But it's definitely a solid colorway for the Jordan 5. Now, I'm not going to get into too many details about this. I'm just going to show y'all a few angles and maybe do a quick on-feet review. Now, what I will tell you off top is this black material right here on the uppers is going to get dusty real quick. I'm not sure if you would call this a suede or a nubuck, but this is like the same material that was on those Victor Cruz Air trainers. I forgot what they were called, like Air Max trainers. I don't know. I don't remember the name. I just know that they were Victor Cruz's shoes. He had black ones. He had blue ones. And I think he had red ones too. But I had the black ones, and boy, was they some dust buckets. I couldn't keep them things clean if I tried. The material is very nice and soft, so that will make for a comfortable shoe. So this does come with the black teeth. Got the white speckles on it. Nice touch. You got a black tongue with the gray Jumpman on it. Very clean, very clean. The lace lock is a clear lace lock with a black adjuster on it. See the black adjuster with the white Jumpman. Everything about this shoe screams Oreo. Let's get a look at the cage on the side. I'm not sure what you call this, but this is what it looks like. All right, so let's take a look at that ass. These look real good from the back. You got a silver Jumpman in the back. silver Jumpman in the back. I'm really digging these liners right here. These white interiors, white guts. These white guts really make the shoe pop. All right, let's take a look at the back of the tongue. Air Jordan stitched in black and white. These tongues are very cushy, nice and thick. Got a lot of cushion on these tongues. I really do see this being a very comfortable shoe on foot. So now let's take a look at the bottoms. You got the clear bottoms on these with the black Jumpman. I'm always happy when I get a clear icy bottom. But yeah, man, that's about it. That's about it for these Jordan 5s. I'm going to do a little quick on-feet review for y'all. So let's hop into that.
It's a ace-time thing, the swinging, boat 'em up. Candy dripping out the frame with the top folding up. 84s rolling up, and they poking like sharp blades. So many screens up in my slab, my car look like an arcade. I'm trying to get the park sprayed and swing down the avenue. On gleam, looking clean, bout to snatch me a gal or two. Move over the gal or do when the slab get the rockin'. First you boat a nigga up, then the trunks get the poppin'. Them pumps get the cockin'. Boy, be trippin' in that parking lot. Heater close by, we ain't slippin' in that parking lot. Just dippin' in that parking lot, swinging and causing havoc. Tight grip on them automatics, ready to let them have it. Your shit plan, you need to slap it. Chrome feet and big grill, fool. This ain't just no rap song, this the way that we live, fool. We just keeping it real, fool, and working with wheel, fool. In Texas, we driving Lexus and packing big steel, fool. I got a hand full of wood, trunk on pop, swinging lane to lane.